In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add thoughts on TikTok. This is essential for building authenticity and connecting with your audience. It allows you to showcase your personality, share unique perspectives, and create value that resonates with viewers. To do this, simply head to TikTok. Onto your profile page, you want to tap right here on Thoughts. Write in what you want to share publicly. You can also tap onto the settings icon to customize on who can see your TikTok thought. Once done, tap on your story to get shared successfully. This can also foster a sense of community and attract like-minded followers who appreciate your sense of creativity. Well, that's how easy it is to add thoughts on TikTok. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.